Hi there, you're welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Edusa Aigabai and you're welcome to my channel. Edusa I Dig It Out is actually a channel where we give you trainings on how to create animation, how to edit your videos with your smartphone, and also create stunning graphics, all using your smartphone. And in today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can create this particular design looking so classic, looking so premium and simple. Want to recreate it. This is something you can use for your summit, for your event, for your workshop. All right. This is what we want to recreate as well. Okay, so we're going to head straight into our Canva mobile application. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any of our tutorial. Right now, the first thing we'll do is that we're going to click on the plus sign here. Then we're going to choose our dimension. I'm going to make this 1,300. Then I'm going to make the height 1,200. Then I'll check it. Okay. Then the next thing I'll do is to tap on the white background, and I'm going to add an image that I've already downloaded. The image that we'll be using, which is actually visible at the background, is the image of the Lekki Bridge. Okay, I'm going to type it so that you can search for it on Google. The Lekki Bridge, this is the image. So I'm going to reduce the transparency a little. Then the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to click on this plus sign, then tap my illustration, click on shape, then I'll click on the square shape, change the color to color blue, navy blue, very good. And I'm going to, don't forget, click on that to expand it, That's what we have. All right, covering the canvas. So we are not seeing the image. Next thing we're going to do is that we're going to use this. Okay, tap on this, then tap on the basket, then which is actually the check sign there, then reduce the transparency a little. And this is what we have. The next thing we want to do is that we're going to head straight to illustration. Tap on our illustration, tap on shape, scroll up, move up the icon. Then I'm going to get this particular shape here. This is what I'm going to get. Then I'm going to reduce this, make sure it is actually centralized. Okay. Make sure it is centralized. All right. Make sure it is centralized. Reduce it again. Reduce. Make sure it is centralized. Let me check what we have. Okay, fantastic, amazing. It might not be looking that faint like the one we have here, but I think it's also nice. The next thing we'll do is that we'll head back to illustration again. Then we'll tap on frame, tap on the frame, and we're going to get this particular frame that we have here, this one. We tap on it. Then this, when we tap on this frame, automatically it shows us color, it shows us image, it shows us gallery. So what we're going to do is I will tap on gallery. I already have an image that I've prepared. I'm going to tap on this particular image of the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Then I'm going to reduce it so that it fits into the square that we have. Reduce it. Okay. Reduce again. Reduce again. Okay, that's what we have. Let's see if it matches with what we have there. Okay, fantastic. Then we're gonna do something here, which is we're gonna move this one out, move this, expand this a little. Okay, I want this to be looking nice and cool. Okay, then the next thing I'll do, okay, after that, again, I'm going to get my square, all right, get my shape, get it from my illustration, don't forget, change the color to white, okay, reduce it, make sure it fits into the box that we have, all right, that's what we have here, reduce it a little, okay, make sure it fits perfectly well, fantastic, then I'll move this one, all right, you can see it's behind the white shape. So I'm going to bring it up, tap on this, all right, tap on it, then tap, okay, I'll have to do with the white, tap on this, don't forget, tap on this, okay, tap it and tap on this, it brings it all up for me. Okay, so I'm going to have to reduce this one a little, adjust this one a little, try to make sure it's fitting. Fantastic. That's what we have. You can see it's almost looking similar to what we have here. So what we might just do is that for this one, we just reduce it a little, then make sure it is fitting, reduce it again. All right, make sure it fits perfectly well. Okay, so that's what we have. Then the next thing we want to do very quickly, the next thing we want to do is that we want to get a square from our illustration again, shape, and then tap on this. Okay, reduce it, then rotate it, rotate it. Okay, this is what we have. Let me see. Oh, okay, bring it this way, make it look a little bit cool. Okay, I think we can work with this. Let me see. Does it match? Does it tally? We might not really get the exact shape, but let's just work with this. Okay, change the color to yellow. Change the color. Just try to get that color. Try to get the exact color. If we can match the exact color, let's just work with this one. Okay, then the next thing we'll do is we get our text tool, then type the name. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, that's the Lagos State Governor. All right, that's what we have. Let me see. Fantastic. Rotate it. Okay, change the color to white. Bring it down here. Let me see if that's what we have. Okay, let me change it to navy blue. Navy blue. Reduce it. Adjust it. Okay, that's what we have. We're trying to recreate. Make it bold. Reduce it. Push it up. Move it up. Okay, duplicate it. Then write Governor, Lagos State. Okay, reduce this. All right, here's what we have. Then I'm going to get a line. Go to illustration, line, get this line, change the color to yellow. Okay, bring it here, duplicate it, bring it here. Don't forget, this is where I duplicated from. Don't forget that. All right, we have it that way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to illustration, get my shape again, adjust it till it's covering the Canva. Okay, bring it down. Let me see what we have. Okay, where startup never stop. So that is going down. Change the color. Then type text, add text, Lagos, where start up, never stop. Bring it down, expand it. Don't forget, you expand with this. Don't forget. All right, don't forget that. Okay, very good. Bring it down, bring it down. Let me see if we have the same font. Where startups never stop. Okay, let me change this font to Montserrat Classic. Let's make it bold. Then let's space it a little, spacing. Click on the spacing, lines, letter spacing. Very good. So adjust. Okay, reduce it, bring it back. Don't forget. Okay, this is what we have. For that, let's see. We are moving on. We are moving on. We're moving on. Let's see what we have. Then what are we going to write? Keynote speaker. So let's get on that text again. Don't forget, tap the plus sign, get your text, add text, capital letter, keynotes. Keynote speaker. I'm going to use Montserrat. Let me look for a condensed font. Barlow condensed. Okay, I use Barlow condensed. Let me use thin. Bring it down here. Change it to white. Adjust it. Capital letters. This is capital letters, all in cap locks. Adjust it. Let's see. Are we on point? Are we on point with that? Are we on point? Fantastic. We are moving. We are moving on. Reduce it. Make it bold a little. Reduce it. Okay. Keynote speaker. The next thing I want to do, let me see. Get a calendar, a clock, and a so we want to put some icons. So you click on the plus sign, go to illustration, type clock, and it will bring the icon for you. But you might not get the exact icon because most of the icon that we have here, they are premium icon. All right, so let's just work with what's available. Or better still, let me use the premium one. Okay, let me use the premium one. I'll reduce it. Reduce. I'm going to change this color to white. Okay, let me see how it's looking. Okay, then the next one again I'm going to get is location. Okay, it's going to give me the icon. Change it to white. Reduce it. Bring it here. Reduce again. Put it down here. Then I'm going to get another icon again. This time calendar. Calendar. Let me look for this. Okay, this is a premium. This is a premium icon, so you have to pay to be able to use it without having the watermark on your job. But I don't like the fact that it's showing September 5. So let me delete it. Let me delete it and get another icon that is similar to that. So calendar. Okay, let me search. I'm going to see something that is similar to that. They just keep scrolling up. Okay, I have this. Fantastic. Change this to white. All right, this is good. This is cool enough. This is fair enough. Change this to white. Then I'm going to put it here. Increase this a little. Put it at the middle. Increase this a little. Let me see what we have. Okay, so let me put the dates first. Text. Add some text. Let me see what we have here. 26 January 2019. 26 January 2019. So all in capital letters. Expand it. Change the color to white. Bring it down. Reduce it. Reduce it again. Okay. Let me move this the icon. Let me move the icon a little bit further. Move this here again. All right. Good. I expand it a little. We are fine with this way. Okay. Then let us move the what is it called now? The clock. Let's move this clock. That is actually giving issues. Okay. So we move the clock. That's the next thing. Bring the clock here. All right. So what is the time that we have? 10 a.m. So let's move this up. Let's duplicate this and write 10 a.m. Okay. So let's bring this here. All right. 10 a.m. Let me see the kind of font that was used. Okay. Let me use Open Sans. Yeah. Very good. Let's make it bold. Let's use this open sans as well. Let's make it bold. Good. Okay, so this is what we have. 10 o'clock. Let's bring this one down. Let's duplicate this. Let's write what was the venue? Arbor Point. Arbor Point. Arbor Point. Let's get this one. Let's look for condense, bold, adjust it. From the all indication, we have to move this one. We have to bring this here again, so we can have some space. Can have some space for that. Can have some space. Hope you see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to create some space for design. Just trying to create some space. Okay, this, let me reduce some more. All right, this is what we have here. You can see it. So let me move this location button. Let's bring it down here. Let's reduce this location a little. All right, so the arbor point comes here. Let me make sure I'm shrinking it completely. Okay, fine and good. The arbor point is here. The arbor point is here. All right, let me try and make it a show. Then let me duplicate it and write Victoria Island. Okay, so move it under, remove the bold sign, and this is what we have for this one. As you can see, it's looking very similar to what we have. We can make do with that anyway. Then the next thing I'll do is to get go back to my shape, go to illustration, go back to shape. I'm going to get a curvy rectangle shape. Let me see if I don't have the exact curvy one that I want. I'll just make do with what's really available here. So let me use this one. This is a curvy one. This is curvy. Okay. This is curvy. This is curvy to an extent. Okay, so I change this color to yellow. I'll duplicate it again. Let me see what we have. Duplicate it. This one will be changed to color red. Let me see what we have. Sky blue. Duplicate it. This one will be changed to color sky blue. Let's see if we can get that color. All right, that's what we have. Then the next thing I want to do now is that I'm going to write Lagos text. Lagos. Let me look for a particular font. It's called Katanta. All right, this is the font. Adjust this. Okay. Let me just adjust so I can move this one here. Lagos. As you can see. Reduce again. Lagos. What do we have here? Enterprise Summit. Duplicate this. Enterprise Summit. All right. Okay, reduce again, reduce a little. Let me make it 18. Let me tap on this again and make it 17. Oh, let me make it 18. Good. Let me reduce the letter spacing. Okay, I think we can make do with it this way. Enterprise Summit. What else again do we have? Okay, and I Succeed series. So I'm going to get that. And I Succeed series. Okay, change the font to Open Sans. Make it italics. Reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. And this is what we have for this particular tutorial. You can see it's looking a lot like what we have here. This is what we've done. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to save our work and check it. Then don't forget, you click on this particular icon here. Click on it. Save as PNG. It says download drafts. Don't forget, we use some premium themes, so we have to click on download drafts. All right, it's going to download for us, but it will be having some watermark on it. All right, creativity takes courage. Okay, so just keep designing. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any tutorial. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye-bye.